Alright, so today we're going to look at using the Baces arm, the Solano scanner. We're going to scan this roll die, and we're going to do an part inspection against it, and also we're going to go ahead and reverse engineer it. So let's get started by scanning the roll die. As you can see on the screen, we've got Geomagic running and we're ready to start recording. So let's just start getting some data off of it. So you can see quickly we jump right on top of the part and we're collecting data off of it. Now we're using a small part for the video just because it's easier to manage. But the articulating arm has a 8-foot reach and can be used for sheet metal parts or axle assemblies or what have you. Alright, let's get some data down inside of it. You can see how the part dynamically moves on the screen, so we can know what information we haven't collected yet. All right.
Now we have the scan section of the roller that we just created, and I've also taken the liberty of creating a bottom section for the same roller. So what we will do now is go through a alignment procedure to register these two objects to each other. Alright, to align these parts we'll simply bring both of them in. Set rotation center right there. We'll go ahead and set him like that. Set this one like that. So we're just trying to line the two parts up to where they look similar in their orientation. So this one will actually have to be flipped over about like so. Alright, so now that these two have both registered together, you can see that we have our complete model right here. So we will go ahead and press OK. Now to make sure that this model is exactly where we want it, we will go ahead and press global registration, press apply. Alright, so now both of these models have been perfectly aligned to one another, so we'll press OK and we will merge them together. So go ahead and back that off a little bit. Press OK. Alright, so now both of these objects have become one scan. So we'll perform a quick hole fill just to get rid of all these holes. Press OK. And now we'll just come in and get rid of some of this floating information. Now we'll fill that information again in, and we will set those. Alright, now we will perform a best fit alignment. Because this part is fairly close to where it needs to be, we will just do a fine adjustment only, and we'll check for symmetry. So we'll go ahead and apply, and it runs through its procedure, so we'll press OK. And now we will go into analysis and create a 3D compare. 10,000ths for our critical and 2,000ths for our nominal. Point 0, 1 in the negative. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and press apply. Alright, so now we have a full 3D color map of our part and how far out it is. So you can see that in certain areas it was out by 10,000ths of an inch, and then in other areas it was good within 2,000ths of an inch. So this is just a really easy and simple way to understand the information on your parts. As far as the tolerances, we can go ahead and adjust all this right here. So let's say we'll run out our nominal to 5,000ths. And as you can see, it will live update automatically, so it gives us a better bandwidth of how our part was doing. So this is a simple run through of how to use a laser scanner inside of Geomagic to create inspections of parts. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact us at gomeasure3d.com or by phone at 434-946-9125. Thank you and have a great day.